Hey, so do you remember last year when I said this?
Finally got it off. This thing is disgusting, so I don't think I ever want to see this again.
Well, turns out I do need it. What's up, dudes? So in this week's video, I'm going to be showing you a cheap and effective way on how to make a super fat sounding snare drum for free using one of your old snare heads. Hence the little clip you just saw there of me retrieving the snare head from the old video. But anyway, let's just jump straight into this. So this is the easy bit. You just need one of these, some scissors, a pen, and something round. What you want to do is just place the bowl in the middle of the snare head roughly. I know that doesn't look centered on camera, but it is. Draw around it and then cut it out. Snare heads are actually pretty hard to cut, so make sure to be as neat as you can, by the way. Boom. So what you should be left with is this, and then what we need to do is just cut out around the outside here as well. Something I would recommend is actually drawing round it as well, because you're sort of cutting against an angle here. It does actually make it a little bit easier for you if you have something to follow. So what you should be left with is just this bit here, and essentially what we've made ourselves is like a little dampener ring, a little snare donut, so this should be cool. What I'm going to do now is stick this on the drum kit and we can listen to what difference it makes. So there we go, I hope you found that super helpful. Hopefully you can make yourself one of those snare fatterers, I don't know what you're going to call it. Obviously super cheap and easy, so it's not a big problem if you lose it or break it. Maybe post me a video on Instagram of ones that you've made, I'd be interested to see that. And also, if you're new, make sure to hit the subscribe button because I put out videos every Friday at 6:30 PM. Things like this, vlogs, studio footage, drum covers, whatever. As long as it's drumming related, you'll find it here. So make sure to subscribe if you are new. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Also leave a comment in the comments section just so we can start a conversation, and I really appreciate it. So I'll join you next time, and as per usual, whatever you're doing today, go out and smash it. So do you remember last year when I said this? Well... that just hit me straight in the sternum. Well... well... Harley, man. Well... turns out I do need it. Photoshop. Well... turns out I do need it. Oh. That almost just got Harley right in the mush. If you're new, subscribe, follow the ting, and tings be tinging. It is.